Hello? Okay. I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are like, oh lord, ZHC is about to do another voiceover. Oh god, I can't take it anymore. But screw it! I'm here! No! I'm gonna narrate this whole damn thing. So the ink is actually a lot harder than it looks to squeeze out. That's what she said. And the ink comes out a lot faster, and yeah, there's just a lot of ink. Make sure, if you guys do try it at home, I don't suggest it. Oh, there, my GoPro dropped. And yeah, if you do try it at home, make sure you have something underneath because it does get really messy. The process is really quick, however, but you're gonna see that it's actually not quite good when I put it straight down and I draw on the side I actually drew it on. Here I'm trying to dry it out. Later you'll see me actually flip the page and draw on the other side because I realized that the ink leaked through the page, and on the other side it's a lot cleaner. There you can see I flipped it. So it's kind of reversed. I wasn't planning on doing this, but it came out a lot nicer this way and I'm glad I did. Now I'm going in with pen and microns. Yes, I know that's cheating, but I wanted to add to it. So the ink refill was pretty much the basis of my drawing, and I'm using the micron to just kind of give it a little bit of bling. And the white marker is just there for some extra detail, and you'll see soon that the white marker is not enough. So I'm gonna have to go in and use some other whiteout stuff. I think it's called liquid paper. Over here, you can see me concentrating hard at work. Oh, here we go. Here's the white pen. Give that white pen a little squeeze so that it can come out. Oh, I was fed up with the white pen, so here we go in with the whiteout. Oh yes, look at that. The whiteout's kind of sticky, but yeah, so make sure you guys don't put your hand over it after you draw on it. The whiteout shows a lot better, as you can see over here. I was I was a complete dumbass trying to go in with the white paint pen because that did not do anything. The whiteout is so much better. Yeah, but it's really hard to control. Look at that little cap I have to grip. Wow, that is... I'm not used to holding things in my hand that small, just so you guys know. Those eyes are widening up. Got those widening strips like you get at the dentist. Okay, and with that being said, we are just about done. Here's some final cross-hatching and montage. There you guys have it, the Copic refill challenge. Don't do Copics, you guys. It is very addictive and hard to stop. Kids, do not start. If you have started already, I suggest switching to chameleon markers. For those of you guys that stayed to the end, congratulations. I am about to start a party for all of you guys who are about to turn it up. This video shout out goes to Angel Segura. If you want to win a shout out to, you already know what it is. Join the notification squad. Make sure you guys are part of the artist army and join my latest giveaway if you haven't already. Anyways, I think it's time to turn up. Ugh.
Didn't even get to cross.
Shout out to the artist army. I don't even know how you guys deal with me, but I will see you in the next video. Love all of you guys. Bye.